Hello, class. Here is some help for your last assignment. I hope y'all are doing well. I just went for a run, so I'm kind of tired. But anyways, so here is my research paper that I have typed. Okay, I did the entire paper. Took me about maybe 30 minutes, using the two sources and all that. And I'm gonna show you guys. This part should already be done as of last week. So everything you need is pretty much done, minus one little thing. Okay. So first thing you need to do is make sure you have a works cited page. So go to the end of your essay, go ahead and enter until you get to a new page. Unless, of course, you want to make a page break, but this is kind of just an easier way to go about it. This part should already be done, but in case it's not, works cited, okay? Because it's more than one work. Go ahead and paste your sources here, okay? So this should already been done. Just copy and paste it from your other document that you already sent me. Okay, we know that the fonts is not 16 but 12, Times New Roman, regular. Let me go ahead. This should be double spaced. Double space. This will look a little different according to whatever word processor you're using, whether you're using Google Docs or if you're using this one. Okay. Then go into the other one. Now, what you should note is that as you were using this thing, it gives them to you in alphabetical order. That's because that's the way they're supposed to be put in alphabetical order, okay? So make sure that that's done. All right, let me go ahead and fix the formatting on this. Oops, wrong one. Right here, double spaced. You got it. 12-point font. Don't forget, everything after the first line is indented. Like you can see there. See that? Everything after the first line is indented, okay? And there you go, I'm done. Notice they're in alphabetical order. E comes before T, so on and so forth. So once you have this works cited page that is on its own page, then you're good to go with that part. The last thing you need to do is that in your essay, I'm sure that you used direct quotes, okay? Which is fine, all right? You need to give credit to the author for those direct quotes that you're using, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right now. Oh man, I actually already did it. So just ignore this. So I can do it again. I'm sorry, I forgot. I had done it, but my computer died while I was filming the first video. So, okay. So let's say it looks like this right now. An article states the country in which the batteries are being produced as well as the battery composition has a much higher level of impact on emissions. Now this quote I took directly from this article, which is are electric vehicles really better for the environment, okay, from Forbes. So how am I going to give credit to this? There are a couple of options that you have, okay? Number one, the easiest one is if it is a direct quote, like the one I just said right now, then all you got to do is we're not going to put the period there. We're actually going to put it on the outside of these parentheses. You put the parenthesis, you put the last name of the author. So in this case, it's going to be Elsmore. So I'll type Elsmore. Close parenthesis and a period. And now this tells the reader that this quote comes from this article. They can go back, they can look here, they can even click on your URL and then find the website to make sure that you didn't misquote them and that you're giving them the correct credit, okay? Same thing here on this one, all right? You see here, it says an article from 2019 stated that in the first half of 2019, the average price of an electric car, so on and so forth, okay? So this direct quote is from this article here, from, I can't say that last name, so Quisis, something like that, okay? So then all I gotta do is same thing, okay? That's option number one. I'm sure I misspelled it, but you get the point. Okay? The second option you can do is you can state the author's name in this part of your sentence. So for instance, instead of putting it here, in which case the period would go on the inside, I could just put an article by, and then put the author's last name. DeQuasis from 2019 stated, there you go. Okay? So either you can use this method or the other method. Either one is fine, and you're done. All right. As long as you have those two things, you're good. Okay. I'm not grading this very, very strictly. Okay. In fact, I'm being very lenient. The only thing I'm looking for is that you use proper formatting, which you will use if you follow the directions I gave you the first time around, and that you give credit to your author. I'm also running an originality report so that if anything comes up as plagiarism, I will not give you a good grade. Okay. So please do your best. This is your last assignment. Thank you all so much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.